Excellency, Mr. President of Costa Rica, Your Excellencies, Head of States and Government, ladies and gentlemen, aware of the challenges facing our planet, we have decided to enhance our action in favor of nature. Indeed, while we already have more than 21% of our land protected and 26% of our exclusive economic zones converted into marine parks, we are continuing to take action. In 2020, we adopted a controlled oil palm development strategy. This strategy excludes 80% of our territory from agricultural exploitation. For the past 10 years, logging has been in full ecological transition. Our forest products are positive for climate and for biodiversity. By sustainably harvesting our forests, we create jobs and livelihoods for Gabonese people whilst preserving the forests that cover 88% of our country. As a result, our country is not only carbon neutral, we absorb more than 100 million tons of carbon dioxide, more than we emit every year. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are preparing for the next conference of the parties on biodiversity, I urge humanity to make strong and concrete commitments. It is time for humanity to make peace with nature for the sake of present and future generations. Thank you.